Eisteddfod T is back, bigger and better than ever, providing opportunities for all ages, abilities and background to be creative with over 100 competitions to choose from. The Eisteddfod T syllabus is available online in both Welsh and English. Be aware that online registration to compete will open on March the 1st and stay open until midday on the 26th of March. Remember to upload any video, photo or documents before submitting your application. Browse through the Eisteddfod T rules by clicking here. Make sure you familiarise yourself with the clauses. Useful guidance with tips and advice about filming at home is available here. The index provides a summary of each competition category in Eisteddfod T. Click on the section which you are most interested in. The music section consists of vocal, solo, groups and choral competitions, instrumental, rock and pop, folk and cerdd dance. Remember, as with all the other Eisteddfod T competitions, the choice of what you perform is completely up to you. But we do provide some suggestion pieces and accompaniment for the solo primary age competitions, if you haven't got resources at home or if you require some inspiration. Let's browse through the syllabus and accommodate yourself with the over 40 competitions available in the music section. Solo years 3 and under, solo years 4, 5 and 6, duet years 6 and under, vocal ensemble years 6 and under. For all chorus or group competitions, competitors are permitted to use technology such as Zoom, a cappella, Google Meet or any other software to combine parts. The family, duet or vocal ensemble, solo years 7, 8 and 9, solo year 10 and under 19 years old, solo 19 to 25 year olds, duet or vocal ensemble years 7 and 25 years old, ensembles for teacher, instructors and branch leaders. If you've ever felt cheated in past Eisteddfod Cylch prelims, then why not compete in solo or duet for age members over 25? This might provide you with the perfect opportunity to receive some long-awaited justice. The first competition in the choir section is Unison Party Year 6 and under for Welsh learners. There is an example piece, Canu Rock and Roll. The copy can be purchased from T Cerdd and the accompaniment is provided as well. You are allowed up to 20 members. Unison or two-part party year 7, 8 and 9. Girls choir years 7 and under 25 years old. Boys choir years 7 and under 25 years old. SATB choir 14 to 25 year old. For the last three competition mentioned, the majority of members should be under 25 years old and every member should be under 30 years old. Competition 22 is open to any community group, party or choir for all age and vocal combination. The instrumental section, piano solo year 6 and under, instrumental solo excluding piano year 6 and under, instrumental duet or ensembles year 6 and under, rock and pop band or group year 6 and under. The rock and pop or group year 6 and under asks for an original song or an arrangement of a Welsh song no longer than 2 minutes. At least half the members should be within the age group, but parents, family members, teachers can be invited to take part. If there is a family with one primary school pupil and one secondary school pupil wishing to compete as one group, then they may decide whether to compete either in competition 26 or in competition 31, instrumental solo years 7, 8 and 9, instrumental solo years 10 and 19 years old, instrumental solo 19 to 25 years old, instrumental duet or ensemble years 7 and under 25 years old, and competition 31, band or solo artist year 7 and under 25 years old. And the last instrumental competition is band or orchestra under 25 years old. Over 6 members with at least half the members being within the age group. The parents, family members, teachers can be invited to assist as well. The folk song section. Competition 33 is folk song years 6 and under, folk song years 7, 8 and 9, folk song years 10 and under 25 years old. And finally, the Cerdant section. Cerdant solo years 3 and under. Cerdant years 4, 5 and 6. The words, accompaniment and counter melody for the suggested pieces are available here, or you can use your own accompaniment to compete. And finally, Cerdant solo years 10 and under 25 years old. All the best to everyone who's competing.